Welcome everyone. In today's special video, we are here to support the growth and success of our children. As parents, our deepest desire is to see our children excel academically, succeed in life, and remain true to themselves. I'm very happy to introduce you to an advanced Ho'oponopono prayer, an ancient practice of wisdom and forgiveness. Ho'oponopono invites us to acknowledge and release negative energies and patterns within ourselves. By embracing full responsibility for our thoughts, feelings, actions, and emotions, we create a positive and nurturing environment that allows our children's potential to flourish. Now, why should we parents speak this prayer? So, we should speak this prayer as it will help in enhancing focus on studies. Practicing the Ho'oponopono prayer helps us clear mental and emotional blocks within ourselves, which might distract or hinder our children's concentration on their studies. This creates a calm and focused environment, enabling them to approach their academic tasks with clarity and determination. Second point is it encourages success. Our words and thoughts deeply influence our children's lives. When we as parents say the Ho'oponopono prayer, we create a nurturing and positive environment. This prayer helps us clear our own negative thoughts and emotions, allowing us to be more supportive and encouraging. As we become more balanced and positive, our children feel this energy, boosting their confidence and self belief. This positive reinforcement empowers them to tackle challenges with determination and enthusiasm, encouraging them to pursue their goals and achieve success. Through the consistent use of Ho'oponopono, we set a powerful example of positivity and resilience. This creates a supportive atmosphere that encourages our children to strive for success and reach their full potential. So, by practicing Ho'oponopono daily, we inspire our children to thrive, showing them the way to a brighter, more confident future. Next point is feel balanced. Ho'oponopono helps us achieve emotional balance. When we are calmer and less stressed, we create a happier home environment. This positivity naturally extends to our children, enhancing their ability to perform well in studies and supporting their growth as individuals. By practicing Ho'oponopono, we foster a harmonious atmosphere where our children can thrive both academically and personally. Next point is think positively. By practicing this prayer daily, we cultivate a mindset that views challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. This perspective inspires our children to stay motivated and enthusiastic about discovering new things. Through our example, they learn to approach obstacles with curiosity and resilience, fostering a lifelong love of learning. And last but not least is connecting through energy. As we all are energetically connected, when we recite this prayer, it is like sending positive vibes to our children. This practice helps heal any negativity, making them feel uplifted and ready to succeed. In simple terms, practicing Ho'oponopono helps us create a peaceful and supportive home environment where our children can thrive academically and personally. It's about fostering a positive outlook, and connection that strengthens their confidence and joy in learning. Now, how to speak this prayer? It's very simple. Just find a quiet, comfortable place where you can focus without interruptions. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Speak the prayer with sincerity and intention, taking full responsibility for your thoughts, feelings, actions, and emotions. Repeat the prayer regularly, ideally daily, to reinforce the positive energies and intentions. You can say this prayer just by using earphones and following the audio with me. So let's start and say the prayer together.
Hi, I'm Rashmi Mandal, an author, certified life coach, Reiki Grandmaster, tarot reader, Akashic record reader, and expert in more than 30 healing modalities. And my mission is to infuse positivity into everyone's life.
Sit quietly and get comfortable. Now take few deep breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Again breathe in and breathe out. Once more breathe in and breathe out. Now affirm, I am connected to the divine within me. I am connected to the divine within me. I am connected to my higher self. I am connected to my higher self. I am connected to the highest energies of the universe. I am connected to the highest energies of the universe. Dear universe, I come before you with a heart full of love and humility, taking full responsibility for my feelings, actions, thoughts, and emotions. I seek your guidance and blessings for my beloved children to help them improve their focus in studies, achieve success in their career, and live authentically in all aspects of life. I am sorry for any negative thoughts, words, or actions that may have affected my children's ability to focus, learn, and succeed. I acknowledge any shortcomings and imperfections in my guidance and support. Please forgive me for my mistakes I may have made, knowingly or unknowingly, that could have hindered my children's growth and potential. I ask for your forgiveness and understanding as I strive to be a better parent and guide. Thank you for the countless blessings you have already bestowed upon my children and our family. Thank you for their health, their talents, and their innate abilities. I am deeply grateful for the opportunity to nurture and support them on their journey. I love you. To the divine presence within my children and myself, I love you, dear universe, for the infinite love and wisdom you provide. I love my children unconditionally, and I trust in their ability to shine and thrive. With these words, I humbly ask for your assistance. Help my children to focus. Grant them the clarity and concentration needed to excel in their studies. Help them to find joy and curiosity in learning, to stay disciplined and motivated, and to overcome any distractions or obstacles in their path. Guide them towards success in their career. Open doors of opportunity for them and give them the strength and perseverance to pursue their dreams. May they find fulfillment and purpose in their chosen paths, and may their work be a source of pride and happiness. Encourage their authenticity. Help them to stay true to themselves, to embrace their unique gifts and talents, and to live with integrity and honesty. May they have the courage to follow their hearts, to be kind and compassionate, and to make a positive impact on the world. Dear universe, I trust in your infinite wisdom and love. I surrender my worries and fears, and I place my children's futures in your hands. With gratitude and faith, I believe that they will grow into strong, successful, and authentic individuals. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Amen.